Today, I'll be assembling the Prusa MK4S 3D printer. The MK4S is known for its precision and reliability. The kit comes with over 2,000 individual components. Let's do it! The first step is constructing the frame, which forms the structural backbone of the 3D printer. Now, I'm assembling the power supply unit. This unit provides the necessary power for stepper motors, heating elements, and control board. Here, I'm putting together the motherboard. The motherboard is basically the brain of the 3D printer. I'm installing the Z-axis smooth rods. These guide rods ensure that the X-axis moves smoothly up and down. It's time to mount the X-axis carriage onto the Z-axis rods. Now it starts to look like a proper 3D printer. I'm assembling the extruder, a direct drive one. This component feeds the filament into the hot end, where it is melted and extruded. Next, I'm attaching the filament sensor that pauses the print if the filament runs out. Finally, I connect the wiring to the control board and securing the cables. I'm connecting the wiring for the stepper motors, thermistors, and the cooling fans. Each wire needs to be correctly plugged into its own corresponding port, as even a minor misconnection could lead to the malfunction. Finally, I'm managing the cables neatly inside of the electronics box to avoid tangling or disconnections during the operation. Here, I'm installing the heat bed, which maintains an even temperature to prevent warping. After 16 hours, the printer is done. The most fun part about 3D printing, other than the final product, is the designing section. I always use Fusion 360, which is free for students. Here, I designed a folding propeller for a homemade e-foil. I did it for my dad. Here's the final product. Here are some of my prints.